Fortune magazine says, on average, companies spend $100 on paperwork each time they make a purchase. Moving those transactions to the web could slash costs by 90%. To help make this cost-saving transition, Proforma proudly presents ProEcom. It's the productivity-boosting edge only Proforma can deliver. ProEcom helps you focus on comprehensive product solutions that add efficiency to your in-house marketing and forms management programs. You'll experience reduced costs and an accelerated order cycle time with ProEcom. Its centralized purchasing system reduces inventory levels and gathers information on your end users' buying habits to help you market more effectively. This revolutionary technology helps you maintain control of your corporate identity while providing increased options for communication through the integration of variable data and graphic images. Now you can create customized branded materials and effective one-on-one marketing campaigns for increased awareness and better brand exposure. So what are you waiting for? Enjoy a new level of performance technology with ProEcom. It's the single source, turnkey system for maximum visibility and control. Call Proforma today and let us offer you a glimpse of your future.